Man, why is Alightmotion so difficult to edit debates?
So you want to edit debates in Alightmotion? Don't worry, I will help you.
Now pick the character you want to be debated. Now pick the song that you wanted. Now delete the song clip and keep the audio. Now add the text. Select this 3 layers and group it. Press this button to group the layers. Now do the same process for the other layer. Now make a different layer with points in it, like strength, speed, IQ, and etc. And don't forget to group the new layers. And also the timing of the clips has to be synchronization. Add a new clip for a character that takes the point. Select the layer with a point in it and duplicate it. Select that duplicate group and edit the group. Change the strength to speed or any other point. Repeat the same process until the winner. Now for the shakes, just copy it from shake packs. Pick one of the shake packs that you like. After you pick one of the layer, press shakes and copy effect. Now return to your project. Paste the effect to all layers. Export the edit. Save the edit. And here is the result. Subscribe for your dad to return after getting the milk.